Yo, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to Orderflow, the way to consistency, part 5. And we are going to talk about key levels. Because Orderflow is great, it's amazing, in my opinion. Um, but I rather watch Orderflow on key levels. That's very important for me. No key levels, no trade. Or I have to see like a very huge outlier in the order flow to pick the top, like I did yesterday, somewhere in here if I zoom in, but I will show it in the next video. There is a huge outlier compared to the previous candles. And yeah, once we start trading below it and we hold below it, then my bias is shorts. Okay, we have two green lines in the chart. Two green lines, not too much. We have two green lines in the chart. The lower line, this one, is the daily VWAP without bands. And it starts 6 p.m. New York time. So the lower one is the daily VWAP, okay? That's it. The upper one is the RTH VWAP. So it opens at 9:30 New York time. So CME open, CME futures regular trading hours open. These two key levels, so only these two key levels are more than enough for me. Almost every day we get amazing trades from these key levels, literally. Sometimes price is flying higher, okay? Then it takes a while before we come back. Or at some days we don't even come close. We never come back to these VWAPs. Then often I just don't trade these levels. I have to see something very significant in order flow to take a trade. If it's not from the VWAPs. Yesterday, for an example, we were pushing up, really pushing up, making new all-time highs, and we leave these two VWAPs. And as I said, I need something very significant in order flow. So we stall here, and this is pre-market high, right? So this is a pre-market high. I don't trade these levels like every day, but when I see something very significant, I will trade it. So I'm not telling anyone in here, drop a line on the previous high. No, don't, because I saw we broke this high, then we stalled, and I watch order flow. Okay, that's all I do. And once we retest this previous high and we drop minus 544 delta and we go up again, I'm long. Okay, that's order flow. That's trading order flow. It's a big outlier. It's something very significant compared to the other previous candles. So that was a long for me. Never short the all-times high. Definitely don't do it. But hey, I saw we stalled here in the top, and with way more delta than in the previous candles. We have one outlier here, but we never traded below it, so no second to think that we have some kind of absorption in there. We pushed up again, we pushed up again, and we have this 386 delta, 228 delta, 267, 338. We stall, and POC shifts lower, POC shifts lower. This was a short for me, this was a quick scalp. So these trades are literally 5% from all my trades. Maybe even less. I always trade these two VWAPs. Do they work? Yes, these are my weekly stats. I trade micros. You can see 50 winning trades, 8 losing trades. This is from a whole week. I do this on multiple accounts, more than 10 accounts. Let's say these are 200 contracts, 50 trades, so like an average of 4 or 5 micros each trade. So micro, S&P, no big drawdowns. I do use a stop loss, so I'm not like, let it fall down and I keep adding to it, because in the end you will blow an account. Definitely, if it keeps falling. So proper risk management, daily VWAP, RTH VWAP, 4 or 5 micros each position, 85% win rate from the VWAPs. Literally. Other members doing well also. Not all of them. Trading is hard. It's not easy. I never said trading is easy. For some people it is. But we will always get a punch in the face sometimes. So, and this is yesterday, and took a long time. We had a very nice retest after the open, by the way, from daily VWAP. So this was a very nice trade. Even on a candle chart, this looked very nice. And we swept right into daily VWAP. I missed this trade. I was watching, but I literally missed it. So that's stupid, because my trading day yesterday took a little bit longer. But if I catch this one, then I would have been done a little bit earlier. So first nice trade from daily VWAP. Also at the open we go to the daily VWAP, but I don't trade the open immediately. So we are open here for like 20 minutes. Then we are good to go. Then I took this previous pre-market high, and we dropped a minus 544 delta there, so I longed it. But then after a while, we touched the RTH VWAP and close to the daily VWAP again. And if we get confirmation from Orderflow, if I get confirmation from Orderflow, I will long here. And either I'm searching for absorption, or I'm searching for a strong rejection. And both of them in the way of outliers. And this is an outlier, in my opinion. So this got rejected heavily. But that's for the next video. So RTH VWAP bounce, and maybe a loss here. This is also way too late. This is all crap. This is bullshit. This is end of the week. Trading is done. NQ. And we of course have the big trades also for the next video. Big trades. And you can see the aggressive rejection here. So that's very nice. Then you don't have to zoom in all the way, but I do like to zoom in. I want to see the complete picture. Let's look at NQ. So same story, right? We open, we come to daily VWAP, to the tick, to the tick, and we go up for like 50, 60 points. Very nice. On NQ we had a very clear, this is not a key level by the way, this is a extended current price line, so don't be confused. On NQ we did had a very nice bounce from RTH VWAP, beautiful. I don't like the order flow in NQ. This is looks like shit in my opinion. There is the tape is too thin, so we don't have like very obvious and clear data as S&P. So for NQ, I prefer big trades to see some outliers. And like this, we come to the RTH VWAP. We have this aggressive order in here. I do think this is on separated trades. Yeah, separated trades. So this is all in one order. So it's not like a few orders around the same level. This is literally one order, one person, or by coincidence, two people drop like 2 times 35 or whatever at the same time at the same price level. Everything is possible. But and we come to RTH VWAP. We have this big seller here. We tap VWAP. Once we start trading above it, it's go time. It's go time. And we go from the negative delta to the positive delta. This is the bubble. POC shifts higher. Go sign. Get in. Get in. Get in. Yeah. Well, this is all kind of end of the week price action. We do have the gamma exposure levels, of course. To the tick to GAX4, GAX4, straight to the call resistance again. And as you can see, a lot of to the ticks. I will make another video about these ones. This is an expensive indicator, and yeah, I do equal without them. But it's nice to know if we are in a positive or in a negative gamma. That's very nice to know. Once we are in negative gamma, we often start having great moves. Okay, and this one we go back to daily VWAP, also on the GAX2, and on the GAX2 you can see this aggressive buyer. Positive 200 delta with 100 of them, 100 contracts in one single trade. Oh, tranquilo, Steven. So, but just like this, daily VWAP and RTH VWAP. Daily VWAP and RTH VWAP. If you think that's boring, then just look at the volume profiles. And this is ES, but in my opinion, this is just what I see. So these are weekly profiles. When price comes to 7,150. Oh. So like this. When price comes somewhere here, if I see something significant, if I see an outlier in the order flow, I will go long. This is also a nice one. So easy as that, okay? So this is an interesting low volume node. This is an interesting low volume node. I don't need to draw them. I have the extended price line, so if we go down and we stall here, I will just switch to my delta chart, and I will look for something significant. So yeah, that's how you get a 85% win rate. It's not every week 85%, but it's never below 70-ish. Maybe next week. Maybe I get slapped in my face next week, who knows. So drop a 6 p.m. daily VWAP, drop a 9:30 a.m. VWAP, New York Open. Standard deviation bands are nice. Yeah, they also make you short and these bands are here, right? So you will probably short this for, yeah, a lot of the times a stop loss. So RTH VWAP, daily VWAP. If you think this is boring, this is definitely not boring. This is a boring day, okay? And Q had some more opportunities. And this is, of course, this is a 5-minute time frame. On a 1 minute, you will have multiple bounces here. So there is so much opportunity. This is a very nice one. This is a very nice one. These are the only two you need, right? This one. You should be done for the day. This is also to the tick, but this is way too late. So drop those 2 VWAPs on your chart and trade the touches, or wait for my next video about Orderflow, or watch other Orderflow videos. There are plenty of people who know more than enough about Orderflow. Not everyone is a guru or a trash talker. So that's it. See you in the next video. VWAPS.